In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Paramount Plus error 3304. If you've ever encountered this error while trying to enjoy your favorite shows or movies, you'll know just how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve this issue efficiently, ensuring you can get back to streaming without any hitches. So, let's dive right into it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. This might seem obvious, but many streaming errors, including error 3304, are often linked to connectivity issues. Try to restart your router, as this can refresh your connection and often resolve minor glitches. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more stable and faster internet speed. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores temporary files and browsing data, which can sometimes interfere with streaming services. Go to your browser settings and find the section labeled Privacy or History. From there, you should be able to clear your cache and cookies. Once you've completed this step, restart your browser and try accessing Paramount Plus again. Another important step is to ensure your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers can sometimes be incompatible with the latest streaming services, leading to various errors. Check for any available updates and install them. Once the browser is updated, reboot it to apply changes and try streaming again. Also, disable any browser extensions or ad blockers temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with video playback or trigger errors. Navigate to your browser's extensions manager and disable them all. Once disabled, refresh your Paramount Plus page and see if the issue persists. If the error is resolved, you might want to identify which specific extension is causing the conflict by re-enabling them one by one. It's equally important to check your device for any software updates. Paramount Plus, like many other apps, works best with the latest system software. Head over to your device's settings and ensure that everything is up to date. Once done, restart your device and try again to see if the error has been resolved. Lastly, if none of these steps work, you might want to uninstall and then reinstall the Paramount Plus app. Sometimes, a clean reinstallation can solve persistent errors by removing any corrupted files associated with the app. Once reinstalled, log back into your account and check if the error is fixed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to solving Paramount Plus error 3304. With these steps, you should be on your way back to enjoying uninterrupted access to your favorite entertainment. Remember, if the issue persists, reaching out to Paramount Plus support is always a good option for more tailored assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.